I'm Liz Calloway, and I'm here at the Natural Healing Center upstairs in the 360 Healthcare Building, right on North Kings Highway in Myrtle Beach. I'm sitting here with Nurse Laurie Pacino, who is a board-certified holistic nurse. And we were talking earlier about cancer and cancer diagnosis. But there's a special type of testing that you can get to find out more about where your body's at if you are concerned about cancer. Mm-hmm. So, Nurse Pacino, can you tell us about what this testing is that you were telling me about earlier?
Very often we go to the doctor with a lump or a bump. Sometimes we don't know it's there because it might be internal, but say breast, for example.
Yeah.
We go into the doctor with a lump or bump, and the first thing that they want to do is poke a hole in it.
Mm-hmm.
There's risks and dangers associated with that, with trailing cells, etc. So there's different types of testing that we can do to help determine if there is cancer there or if it's something benign. So there is the IVG, they're called liquid biopsies.
Okay.
So we take blood and send it out for the IV gene test. The IV gene
Just regular blood test?
Blood? Yep.
Okay.
Well, it's not regular, it's a special blood test. It's not like a LabCorp test, but
Okay.
it's, but it is just a plain
But
old
it's
blood
not
test.
coming from the lump or bumper area.
No,
Okay.
we're leaving that alone. A lot of people think that you may have cancer over here or over there. When you have the tiniest bit of cancer in your body, it's trying to make blood vessels to feed it, and it's sending circulatory cancer cells throughout your body. So it can be detected through your blood.
Okay.
So with the IV gene test, it's a DNA test of the cancer cells, and it will give us a number to tell us whether you're in the green, the yellow, or the red, basically. Whether you need to be addressing things or whether you're good. So we have that, and then the RGCC test is also called the Greece test. We call it the Greece test because we send it to the country of Greece, and it's just taking blood from your arm.
Yeah.
What they do is they culture your cells in dishes. They count the number of circulating tumor cells so that we have something to go by to gauge whether the therapies are improving your health or not. And then they put natural things and chemotherapeutic things with the cancer cells, and they send us back information that tells us what percentage of those cancer cells were killed, how they slowed down in growth, and what happened with your immune system.
So it helps you if you do, let's say, have some kind of issue with cancer. It will help you determine which route to go to in order to I guess, treat it? Is that what you're saying by that test?
Well, we'll find out whether it's an issue to begin with at all.
Okay. That's
Some
fascinating,
people will
actually.
get to the point where they'll have, say, a CAT scan or an MRI, which is not as invasive. And then the doctor will say, well, I want you to do a biopsy next. And for some reason, it will ring to them that that's not the right thing to do. And there are other things they feel like, but I have to. How am I not going to know whether this is cancer or not? So by doing the tests, they don't have to poke into it. We can tell by what's going on with the genes, what's going on in the body, as to whether it's an issue or not, and kind of go from there.
All right, so who would be the best candidate for this, and is there any preparation to get this test?
Coming to see Dr. Dong and to get evaluated,
Okay.
would be the biggest thing, and to see, we don't want you spending your money if you don't need to, you know what I mean? There's different things.
Should
'cause
you
it could be
bring some
something else.
test results or whatever previous?
Whenever you come for an appointment here, always bring your latest labs, your most recent test results from everything to help us start getting a picture of what's going on.
Okay, so if you want to make an appointment over at the Natural Healing Center right here in Myrtle Beach, how do you get in touch?
Give us a call at 843-839-9996.
And the Natural Healing Center is located upstairs in the 360 Healthcare Building right at 4810 North Kings Highway in Myrtle Beach.